Hi, Brian and Hazel here. I joke a lot about my restaurant clients. It is true, I like to visit them, but at the same time, I also like to feel like I'm a resource in the food service industry. My actual record was beginning at a retail sports bar and increasing that before the first 12 months 700% on a daily gross revenue basis. So they're just simple common sense things. You want to first make sure that if your establishment has some age to it, make sure it's spotless. The windows should be pristine. Okay? Let's look at other areas such as profit centers that you can add to your space. The first being tables and chairs. Can you add another couple table and chair sets in the space that you currently have? A lot of places are smartly investing in patios. Patios are huge. They became more popular during the pandemic situation, and there's only been an expansion of those. So, outdoor spaces, small things that can add little revenue builders, espresso machines, Jägermeister machines, espresso machines, that can only add to your brand. Branded bags, any of your paperware, so that when you're using a delivery service, that you have a QR code that brings it back to you. Just little things like that. But what I'm here to really express to restaurant owners is how easy it is for us to get you funded. Why? Because of the amount of transactions that are typically done in a restaurant per day. Alternative financing, the market loves multiple transactions in a day. Okay? Very different than, say, a large government. In other words, we'll do large government contractors because when the one lump sum comes in, it's typically large. And as a government contractor, it's almost guaranteed. But multiple deposits a day actually will boost the amount that you can get funded for. Okay? So take that and remember, your revenues are assets. Thank you.
Fund it today.